Ciao! Today we are looking at part 2 of how to tell the time. First, to ask the question, what time is it? You can say che ore è or che ore sono. First, we are going to be looking at today, how do you say less than 30 minutes? So, like from 1:01 up to 1:29. How do I say that? Okay, so here is the general formula. If it is 1:10, I have to start with e luna. That is because whenever I say it is one something, I have to say e luna. That means it is 1 o'clock. Second part, e means and without an accent. And then dieci is the number 10. So to be able to say the time that is less than 30 minutes, so from 1:01 to 1:29, you are going to have to know the numbers in Italian of 1 through 29. So for this whole answer, to say it is 1:10, I could say è l'una e 10. It is 1 o'clock and 10. Now for numbers 2 through 11, don't forget from the last video, you have to start it with sono le. So this starts a little bit different than what if we're saying it's one something. So for it is 2:10, we're going to follow the same pattern, except we're going to start it with sono le. So this will be sono le due, which means it is 2 o'clock, e 10, and 10. So it's following the same pattern as 1:10 by saying e 10 and 10. All right, for 2:15 or 1:15, it is a similar concept, but there's another way you can say it if you want. It is 1:15. We start it with e luna because that's how we start when we're saying it is one something. E 15 and 15. That makes sense based on what we just said on the last slide of and 10, e 10. Now we're saying and 15, e 15. However, some people like to say it is a quarter of an hour or it is a quarter till the next hour. So because of that, there is another way you can say this. You could say e l'una e un quarto. Quarto means a quarter. Since 60 minutes is composed of 4 15 minutes, 15 plus 15, 30 plus another 15, 45 plus another 15, 60. That is 4 of them. So a quarter is 15 minutes. It means I can say the word quarter, which is quarto. So there's 2 different ways how to say this. Let's go over them again. We have e l'una e 15, which means it is 1 o'clock and 15. Or e l'una e un quarto. It is 1 o'clock and a quarter. Same concept with 2:15, but from 2 to 11, we're going to start it with sono le. So that's the only thing different. Sono le, the number's 2 here, so 2, e 15, and 15. Or sono le 2, it is 2 o'clock, e un quarto, and a quarter. All right, that is it for today, you guys. So this is part 2 of how to tell the time. If you have any questions, write down below and work on saying some of these phrases. Try to make a video that says at least 2 of these phrases. That way you get some practice with saying these and I can give you some feedback. All right, have a great day. Ciao!